Understanding landmark cases in Indian contract law is crucial for legal professionals and scholars. These cases establish key doctrines and principles shaping the legal landscape. This analysis will explore pivotal judgments, offering insights into offer and acceptance, consideration, and more, providing a foundation for comprehending complex contractual issues. Carlill v. Carbolic Smoke Ball Co. established the principles of unilateral contracts, ruling that advertisements can be serious offers if conditions are met. The court held that Mrs. Carlill accepted by conduct, obligating the company to pay. This case clarified the acceptance by conduct, significantly influencing Indian contract law. Lalman Shukla v. Gauri Dutt highlighted the necessity of knowing an offer for valid acceptance. The court ruled that a reward cannot be claimed without awareness of the offer, emphasizing the importance of communication in acceptance. This case reinforced the principle that knowledge of an offer is essential for forming a contract. Hadley v. Baxendale established the principle of remoteness of damages in contract law. Damages are recoverable only if they were foreseeable or contemplated at the time of contract formation. This case is pivotal in understanding the consequences of breach, ensuring parties are only liable for losses they could reasonably foresee. Mahori Baibi v. Darmodas Gosi established that contracts with minors are void ab initio, safeguarding minors from exploitation. This landmark case is pivotal in minors' contract law, ensuring that any agreement involving a minor lacks legal enforceability, thus protecting their interests in contractual dealings. Balfour v. Balfour distinguished between domestic and commercial agreements, establishing that domestic agreements typically lack the intention to create legal relations. This case is crucial for understanding the intention in contracts, highlighting that promises within familial contexts are generally not legally enforceable, unlike commercial agreements, which presume such intention. Union of India versus Raman Iron Foundry emphasized the necessity of fresh consideration for contract modifications. The court ruled that without new consideration, modifications are unenforceable, reinforcing classical contract principles. This case is pivotal in understanding the enforceability of contract changes, ensuring that modifications are supported by mutual exchange, thus maintaining contractual integrity. Anwar PV vs. PK Bashir underscores the critical role of free consent in contract law. The case illustrates that contracts are voidable if consent is compromised by undue influence or coercion. This landmark decision highlights the doctrine of voidable contracts, emphasizing the necessity of genuine consent for contract validity. MC Chokalingam v. MC Mariamal is pivotal in applying the doctrine of frustration in Indian law. It establishes that contracts are discharged if performance becomes impossible due to unforeseen events, highlighting the significance of frustration in contract law. Bhagwandas Govardhandas, Kedia Visgirdharilal Parshottamdas, clarified the enforcement of reciprocal promises in contracts. The court held that performance by one party is a condition precedent for the other's obligation. This case is pivotal in understanding how reciprocal obligations are enforced, ensuring clarity in contractual duties and performance. D.C. Shankar Rao versus State of Andhra Pradesh affirmed the right to damages for breach of government contracts. The court held that damages are recoverable if the breach causes loss. This case is significant for understanding breach and remedies in contract law, emphasizing the accountability of government entities in contractual obligations. Landmark cases in Indian contract law establish foundational principles like offer and acceptance, consideration, and remedies for breach. These cases are crucial for understanding contract law intricacies, guiding legal professionals and scholars in navigating complex legal landscapes. Their significance lies in shaping the legal framework and ensuring justice in contractual disputes.